Mr. There.
Yeah,
We are here at.
It's Smart Care Appearance.
What do you offer here?
We offer normally, we do offer, we repair, spares, sales and service to all makers of fridges, air conditions.
Can you show me of what you offer here?
Yeah, we offer fridges. Normally, we repair and spare sales and service to all makers of fridges.
Yeah.
And air condition, washing machine.
Can you show me the things that you are fixing and selling here?
Okay, can we just follow me? Follow me.
Okay.
Now, this is a washing machines.
Okay.
We do repair washing machines.
Okay.
And we do sell also washing machines.
Where is this place located?
It's located as Prosperita, Nickland Street, unit number 19 is where we are located.
Okay.
So we normally repair fridges, as you see. These are the fridges that we used to sell and repair.
Okay.
These are the fridges, and we normally repair
TVs as well.
TVs, yeah,
so
TVs.
you repair electronic
Yeah,
items.
it's Smart Care Appliance. Normally we deal with electronical things.
Yeah,
as you see,
electronical.
fridges,
Yeah.
TVs, stoves, dishwashers, washing machine. These are the fridges that you can see.
And this lady right here, what does she do?
I'm a technician here at Smart Care Appliances.
Okay.
Here I'm busy fixing.
Fixing what exactly?
Refrigerators.
Uh-huh.
I'm fixing dishwashers. Actually, all the home appliances. I'm fixing them here, and I'm also servicing them.
Yeah.
And I'm also making installation in case you want your appliance to be installed. Let me say it's a stove, or
Yeah.
maybe it's a water part of your refrigerator. We can do it here.
Okay. To your customers, do you
Yes.
offer that?
Yes, we do offer a warranty. Like if you have to fix your washing machine or any appliances, we normally give a three months warranty. So within the 3 months, we are going to anything that happens
Yeah.
to your appliance within that 3 months.
Yeah.
We're gonna fix it for you for free. I mean, it's actually warranty as we know it.
Yeah.
So we have to fix it within the 3 months.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me go around and see of what you have in stock, because I came here for something similar. I need something here.
So this is the fridges.
Okay.
See? So we normally repair it. Once we repair it, we sell it also to the customers. So guys out there, if you want to buy, you can come here at Smart Care Appliance. So these are the things which in the stock. Yeah, so the fridges. Normally the prices are different from each other to the part. You get this one is 3,500. This one also is 3,500. Yeah, and this one is 2,500. Yeah, normally the prices differ to each others. And we can also come this side where there is machine wash.
Yeah.
Washing machines. Yeah.
Is it an automatic one?
Yeah, these are the automatic ones. We normally repair automatic ones and the one which is manual also. And so here is our also
Workshop.
workshop. Yeah.
Can you take me through your
Yeah,
workshop?
you can enter. You are welcome to the workshop. So normally this is the workshop where we used to do our repairs.
Yeah.
Yeah, we used to do our repairs here in the workshop. Yeah, and the other our technician is there. That is Samuel is technician.
Hello, Tate Samuel. Tate Samuel.
Yes, it's a technician.
Can you please introduce yourself here of what you are doing here? The services you are offering here?
Okay, I'm putting the thermostat.
Oh, right now you are busy doing what?
Putting the thermostat for the fridge.
Okay.
Here's the thermostat here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's broken. You are replacing it.
I replaced it. This one was broken before.
Okay.
Yeah, but
What else do you do?
Fridges,
A technician for
microwave.
fridges?
microwave,
Yeah.
dishwasher.
So electronic items.
Yeah, but
Okay.
So we normally don't receive customer complaints. All our customers, they are satisfied with our goods. Yeah, we don't receive customer complaints because we used to give guarantee to our customers 6 months. If you normally buy from us,
Yeah.
so we normally deliver your things. After that, we will give you 6 months.
Yeah.
Which means if it's damaged within that 6 months,
Yeah.
you bring it back to us and we repay it for you.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the thing. I can take what's here.
Okay.
So that's the area where the workshop is. Normally the things that have been fixed now, those things are in the process of fixing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the workshop where they do normally fix the things. Yeah, this is smart care appliance, so it's Prosperita.
Say the number again, the contact details for the
Yeah, the contact
business.
details telephone is 061.
Maybe can you show the business card?
Yeah, yeah.
Show
yeah.
it here
Okay, this is
to the camera.
This is the business card. Normally you can contact us.
Yeah, hold
this-
it like that.
Alright,
Yeah.
this is the business card. Normally if you want to contact us, this is where you can get us.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is where you can get us. You are welcome.
Okay.
Yeah. You people who are out there normally, Kahanja,
Yeah.
Rehoboth,
Yeah.
you are welcome to Smart Care Appearance over there. These are the other fridges on this side. Yeah, these are other fridges. You can see the fridges. Yeah, the KFC fridge. Normally price are differ. This one is 4,500.
Yeah.
And this one is 3,500.
Okay.
Yeah, and the oven, micro oven also. Yeah, those are the micro.
What brand is this? Hisense.
Yeah, Hisense. Yeah, Hisense.
Okay. Is this broken or came
Now
new?
this one is fine. We are selling it.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. We are selling
Oh,
it.
it
The
doesn't
price
have to be fixed.
this one is fine. Yeah. These are
So-
the locations of Smart Care Appearance. I think we are
Okay.
done, eh?
Yeah, I can see the madam is busy enjoying her work. So she's really, really serious with what she
We sell
do.
phones also. We forgot those phones are they
Smartphones,
yeah, those
second
Hisense.
hand or new ones. Both.
Yeah, those are the phones.
So these are the price list.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are selling space for appliances also.
You?
Those the space for
We sell
appearance.
the
The
space for
space, those
appliances.
ones.
The
Okay.
compressors, the fridge compressors,
Yeah.
the gas for the fridge, all the items like even the plates for the stove. We have everything for the appliance space.
Okay.
Yes. I'm a technician.
Technician,
Yes.
manager,
Everything.
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 So all in one, you
No, I'm just.
you
a
do
te-
all.
I'm
You are
just
all
a-
in one in this business.
I'm just a technician.
A technician.
Yes.
Okay.
Only, yeah.
Okay. So these are your trading hours.
Yeah.
We are in Prosperita.
Yeah.
The address is Unit 19.
Unit 19, Prosperita.
Paulnik Square. Paulnik Square is on number 78 Nickel Street
Yeah.
in Prosperita.
Okay.
Yes.
So.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let